Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Kung Pao Chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 2 stalks of celery, 6 scallions, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 4 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, 1½ tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 10 dried all-ball chilies, 1/2 cup of roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Cut your chicken thighs into 1/2 inch pieces, then add the white pepper and cornstarch. Now add your rice vinegar and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Mix until well coated, then set it aside until later. In a separate dish, combine the vegetable oil, ginger, garlic, and red pepper flakes, then mix until well combined. In another bowl, add your brown sugar and toasted sesame oil. Now add the red wine vinegar and 1/4 cup of soy sauce, then mix until your sugar has dissolved. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your ginger garlic mixture. Now add your chilies and chicken and allow your chicken to cook until completely done. Add the celery and peanuts and continue to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Now pour in your sauce and continue to cook for an additional 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add your scallions and mix, and now it is ready to serve. This Kung Pao chicken is easy to make and it tastes great. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp